Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to CSS for Developers. We're talking about typography. And let's see, I want to set this back to Times New Roman times. And I'm gonna actually get rid of this link from the last lesson. And in this lesson, let's talk about underlining. Let's see. We're going to underline our heading. Okay, so the way that you do that, it's with a property name called text decoration. Boop. All right. So our H1 is underlined now. Good times. All right. Underlining, in my opinion, kind of ugly. And also, by default, your web browser is underlining all of your links. So on the web, there is an understanding that's been built into people for 30 years that when you see underlined text, you can click it and it's a link. And this is not a link, and I can't click it and make it a link. Therefore, I would avoid this unless you had a real super good reason. For instance, maybe you're writing a style sheet for a legal document, and the lawyers use underlines all the time. It's just the truth. And if you need to make your web page look like the same legal document that they gave you, then maybe you're going to be using a lot of text decoration underline. Okay, so that's my rant. It's ugly. All right, let's just kill it before it infects my eyeballs. All right, I'm going to save that, and okay. Whew. Glad that's over. Text decoration underline, y'all. That's how you do it.